Then we're going to get a good look at the kitten. That is a kitten. Now, what I'm watching...
What are you doing?
I'm taking a video of Thor. But now, let's see closely what he's like. Okay. Hey, can you see your face? Can you see your face?
Oh, yeah.
And Pedro gets on so we can get closer, better look. And here is
Stop eating me.
This
is Thor.
And this is Paige. So, she's going to be holding Thorn today for our video.
Okay, Thorn, ready? Here's his tail, which he loves to play with. Let's try this. Ready? Tail, 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 tail.
He loves to play with his tail. And smile, Thorn, smile. Come on, show me that big smile. There. Now you get a good look at Thorn. He's playful. Yes,
He's a crazy little kitten.
He's playful. Sometimes he will be a pest. And he's a crazy little guy.
Except when he's sleeping.
Yeah, he's cute when he is sleeping.
And he sleeps on my paper.
Yes.
He made a nest down there.
And Thorn.
Good.
And
Now
this,
he's gonna eat.
and this is the owner's room of Thorn. Thorn, give me that big face. Give me that big happy face. Come on, you gotta give me a happy brave face. No, you all know that he's hungry.